Hello, boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are still in Unit 12, Land of Glory, and we are still looking on indefinite and definite articles. Okay, so for today's video or today's slide video, you can refer to your textbook on page 121. Alright, before we start the lesson, let's look what are we going to achieve by the end of this slide video. Okay, so by the end of this slide video, you should be able to use indefinite and definite articles appropriately in sentences, and after that you should be able to construct sentences using indefinite and definite articles. Okay, now let's look at the articles. So this is the articles that we always use in writing sentences. Okay, so just to make a quick revision, okay, we use a and an, and the usage of a and an are depending on the initial letter of the word. Okay, for example, if the word or the noun start with consonant, as you can see here, bamboo it start with B, symbol it start with S, monument it start with M, phone P, and laptop L. So these are consonants. So when you are referring to a single object or a single noun, singular noun, we use a. Okay, a bamboo, a symbol. Okay, whereby for an is used for noun or word that the initial letters start with A, E, I, O, U. Except for this one, it is still pronoun and our, although the initial letters start with letter H. Then that is because when we say this word, we don't say it hour. It is silent H. So an hour. Okay. Alright. So the basically can be used for both words. The bamboo, the umbrella, the symbol, the announcement. Okay, but the usage of the is very specific, whereby the usage of a and an is not specific to anything. It can be any bamboo, a bamboo. It can be any bamboo. So, but if I said the bamboo, that means I am referring to that particular or that specific bamboo. Alright, move on to the next one. So basically this one you can find in your textbook on page 121. So today we are going to fill in the blanks with a, and, or dash. Okay, so nothing is needed if you put dash. Okay, so grandpa, how do you make a wow? So first I split a bamboo. Okay, I split a bamboo and soak it for 2 weeks to make it flexible. Then I make a lightweight frame from the. Okay, now we use the. Just now we use a because you can use any bamboo to soak it. Okay, but once you have soaked the bamboo, you will have to use the, because we are referring to that particular bamboo that has been soaked. And then next I cut pattern from a rice paper and glue them piece by piece on the frame. Okay, remember he has used the bamboo to make the frame. Okay, what is the specialty of a wow? Because this is a, right? So of a wow. Okay, the wow makes, okay, nothing is necessary. So the wow makes humming sound called dengung as it is fly high in the air. The higher the kite flies and the stronger the wind blows make the wow produce the sound. Grandpa, is it true that this kite come in? Okay, this one dash, different shape and size. Yes, Najmi. There are many types of wow such as wow kucing, wow merak. When I bring a wow bulan to an event, okay, because event start with with E, okay. So basically, this is the text that you have to complete. Right, move on to the next activity whereby you have to construct sentences using article a and an. So 3 sentences for each article. Okay, so here are the examples given that can guide you to construct sentence. So a kite is flying high up in the sky. So it can be any kite, but only one kite, a kite. So there is a cat under the table. So RM1200 is the cost for a laptop. Okay, this is very universal. It is not specific to anything. Okay, now let's construct sentences using the article an. So, an alligator. I use an alligator because alligator starts with letter A. Okay, so it's a lurking predator. And then that is an egg. Again, this one starts with letter E. And last one, Alia was late for work because of an accident. Alright, so basically, these are some of the examples of sentences that you can use to construct sentence. Okay, so I will provide the link on a live worksheet, so you can complete today's task there, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.